We are pleased to show you the 2021 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags front, passenger seat cushion. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.